Imagine waking up one morning, stretching, and heading straight to the kitchen to fill your glass with water. You turn the tap, expecting the familiar cool, clear stream, but instead, a thick, dark liquid rushes out, cola. At first, you think it's a prank or a malfunction. But as you taste it, the unmistakable sweetness and fizz confirm it. The world's taps now flow with cola instead of water.
At first, the novelty feels exciting. The thought of never having to buy soda again delights millions. Social media explodes with videos of people filling pools, showers, even watering gardens with cola. The initial reactions are a mix of laughter and disbelief. How could something so fundamental change overnight? But as the hours turn into days, the reality begins to sink in. Water, the source of all life, the essence of survival, has been replaced by a sugary carbonated drink. This isn't just a quirky prank of nature, it's a seismic shift with profound consequences. Hospitals were the first to sound the alarm. Although the taps everywhere gushed liquid, people began showing signs of dehydration and malnutrition. Doctors explained that cola, no matter how much you drank, could not replace water's vital role in the body. Children were especially vulnerable. Many suffered stomach pains and fatigue. Pets and wild animals, confused by the unfamiliar taste and sticky texture, avoided drinking altogether. Wildlife near cities began to suffer. Governments declared states of emergency. Water trucks brought clean supplies, but distribution couldn't keep up. People panicked. Bottled water became the world's most precious commodity, leading to black markets and inequality. Farmers faced an existential threat. Crops need clean water, but cola's sticky sweetness ruined soil health and clogged irrigation. Fields withered, and food shortages loomed. Cities faced clogged pipes and corroded plumbing due to sticky cola deposits. Sewage overflowed, causing public health hazards. The economy started to crumble under these pressures. Yet, amid the chaos, some see opportunity. Businesses pivot quickly. Cola companies expand massively, rebranding as essential utilities. New gadgets emerge. Machines designed to filter and convert cola back into drinkable water. Entrepreneurs develop cola-resistant plant varieties and cola-proof plumbing materials. The world adapts, but at a steep cost. Beyond the physical, the cola takeover triggers deep psychological and spiritual questions. Water, a symbol of purity and life, is replaced by cola, artificial and excessive. Philosophers debate humanity's connection to nature. Religious and spiritual communities hold ceremonies mourning water's loss. Others see this as a test to rethink consumption, reliance on artificial products, and the environment. As weeks turn into months, people develop new habits. Detoxifying from cola, rationing clean water, and teaching children about hydration and nutrition in the new reality. Interestingly, some ecosystems begin to adjust. Certain bacteria evolve to digest the sugar in cola, creating new microbial balances in water sources. Scientists race to understand these new life forms, hoping to harness them to clean water supplies or restore damaged soil. Still, the question remains: how long can humanity endure this strange new normal? Is the cola flow permanent, or just a cosmic glitch? People watch the skies, hoping for rain to wash away the sticky residue and bring back life-giving water. Some dream of drilling deep underground to access untouched aquifers, while others invent machines to extract pure water from the cola. In the end, this bizarre scenario forces humanity to confront its dependence on nature's simplest yet most essential resource: water. It reminds us that convenience and sweetness can never replace the fundamentals of life. As cola flows from every tap, we are pushed to rediscover balance, respect for the natural world, and the resilience needed to survive even the strangest twists of fate. Would you be able to live in such a world? Would you find new ways to thrive or crumble under the pressure? The answer might just lie in how you face the next glass you pour, whether you see it as a blessing or a curse.